Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Learn and Fun with Wissam. As you can see, today I will show you my fidget spinner costume. So I got first place in the costume contest. My fidget spinner looks very cool, right? I really love it. Fidget spinner is a stress relieving toy that is originally designed to help people with ADHD, autism and anxiety to help them release their nervous energy. Let's make dye fidget spinner costume. Dye fidget spinner costume materials you need: cardboard, any hard sheet, paper cutter, center hole puncher or simply hole with anything you have. Paint is optional, colored paper, glue, rope or any ribbon. Step 1. You will need to sketch fidget spinner in cardboard. Step 2. Cut out your giant fidget spinner with scissors or paper cutter. Step 3. Cut out 2 cardboard circles that will fit in the center of your fidget spinner. Step 4 is optional. Spray paint your fidget spinner and cardboard circles. Step 5. Take any dual stick or you can use any toy screw that will pierce through your circles and fidget spinner, leaving a gap in between so the fidget spinner can spin. Step 6. One circle goes on top of the spinner and one goes on the bottom. Step 7. Glue the colored paper circles on the top of your fidget spinner blades. Step 8. Your fidget spinner is done. To turn into costume, punch 2 holes to the back circle of your fidget spinner and knot a rope in that holes. As you can see, this is the front and back side of my fidget spinner. So this is the toy screw which I mentioned earlier. You have to hold it so the fidget spinner can spin. So this is how my fidget spinner spins. It looks amazing, right? I hope you like my fidget spinner costume. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.